I have mixed feelings about this plane. I really enjoy it, but I also need some room in the hangar for the new Avanti V2. So, keep flying this plane wondering if eventually something stupid happens and I dumb thumb her into the ground. That said, she is such a sweet flying airplane. This is just a fun fly. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to narrate a couple things as far as some of the new maneuvers and some of the things I'm doing that just impress the heck out of me out of this plane. Enjoy. Like I said, pretty versatile plane. Here, a little under half throttle and easy flying. So from a perspective of just crazy speed or controllable, this Viper's got it, and this is the old one. As I said, highly maneuverable, a lot of fun, and boy, you put that left stick all the way forward and she will boogie for sure. While she'll do the big loops and the big Cuban 8s, reverse 8s, she'll also, with the full flaps, I mean, you can just mosey on down the field. Pretty relaxing, actually. Kind of fun to do, see how slow you can get her without an issue. Two ways I usually destroy planes, either trying to do low knife edge or low inverted passes. So here I'm tempting fate a little bit. We'll see what happens. The peanut gallery was telling me I wasn't low enough, but I had a brand new SMC battery in there I was trying, and I really didn't want to destroy the battery. Pretty much standard for my landings, you know, just a full flap, start backing off throttle, make my turn, cut back on throttle a lot, just kind of feather it a little, then totally cut it. Nose down till a couple feet off the ground and feet in elevator, and there you go. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.